Subscribe and click the bell icon for the latest updates and notifications from the Indian Express.
This is the OnePlus7 Pro. Over the past few years, OnePlus has come to own the affordable flagship space. With the OnePlus 7, the company is also going to push the envelope a bit more and going to offer you the OnePlus 7 Pro. This will be the flagship on steroids. So what's unique about this flagship? And the first thing that's going to hit you and hit you right on the face is the stunning display. It's a curved display and the phone sort of reminds me of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. But the display is bright, it has a superb refresh rate, but it's going to keep you happy whatever you do, be that watching movies on Netflix or playing a superb PUBG session. The next thing that is impressive with this phone is the camera. And OnePlus has added a pop-up selfie camera with a mechanical setup. And it works really fine and it works really smooth. The results are good, though I've seen better selfie cameras. When it comes to the rear camera, OnePlus is offering 3 lenses, which means it's got ultra-wide, normal and zoom. And it works really well on all 3 modes. I particularly liked the sort of fisheye feel which you get when you use the ultra-wide. And when you use the zoom, it gets really up close and personal. Overall, even in low light, the results are very good. Performance has never been an issue with the OnePlus phones. With this device, that's 12 GB RAM with 256 GB storage, performance is never an issue. It's almost like cutting butter with a hot knife. And the smoothness of the device is the UI, which is giving you a lot of customizations but also is very intuitive. Overall, with the UI and the hardware, I think this is one of the best performing phones, especially an Android phone, that I've used in a long time. With the OnePlus 7 Pro, the battery is going to last you about 12 hours on full 4G network and with everything that you do. But the fast charging warp charger which this phone is going to come with is going to juice it back up in about 15 minutes flat, and that is a huge plus for this phone. So are there any issues that you should keep in mind while buying the OnePlus 7 Pro? I noticed that the front screen is prone to a bit of scratches, so put a cover on top of it, also put a cover in the back. Also, with the pop-up selfie camera, I have a fear that over a period of time, it might wear away. After all, it is a mechanical setup. You might also want to keep in mind that this phone does not come with a 3.5mm jack. For some of you, that could be a problem, but I am happy living in a Bluetooth world. Another strange issue which I noticed with the phone is that its curved edges, when you're watching some kind of content, it sort of seems to flow out. So there could be text that is not actually fitting into the screen, and you might expect a software upgrade to fix that soon. So if you're buying a high-end flagship, consider the OnePlus 7 Pro as something that's going to offer you everything you will get in a top-end flagship, but at about 20,000 rupees less than competition. That is where this phone is going to make a significant impact. If OnePlus owns the affordable flagship space, with this phone, it's going to enter the real flagship space too. This is the OnePlus 7 Pro.